In this video I will show you how to upload Reels to Facebook on a PC. Let's begin. This is one of my meme pages on Facebook. I will use this meme page as the example. Scroll down on your Facebook page until you find this square option here. There is an option here that you can select to upload Reels. Push on that. Go get the Reels video you would like to upload to Facebook. I have some videos here I will use for the example. Simply drag and drop your video in this little square here. Push next. Then next again. Here you can describe what your video is about. Since my video is about facts about girls, I will title it Facts About Girls. Then push publish. Our Reels video has been uploaded to Facebook. Let's do one last check to make sure the video was uploaded. Refresh your browser here. Reels video has been uploaded to Facebook.